Now, there's onus on the ex-chief minister to prove his claims. The ACB serving a notice to Arvind Kejriwal after his big claim. So just hours to go for the Delhi Assembly election results to be out. But the former chief minister, Arvind Kejriwal, had made a big charge. He claimed that the candidates of the Aam Aadmi Party are being approached by the BJP with money being offered to them. So now the onus is going to be on Arvind Kejriwal to prove these claims. The ACB has now served a notice to Kejriwal. Notice has been served and we've also accessed this notice. He has been asked, did he post on social media X and the details of the 16 MLAs that he has mentioned. My colleague Priyank Tripathi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Priyank, the BJP has called it a case of shoot and scoot, saying the allegations have been made but there's no proof. But now it looks like there could be more trouble with the ACB also serving a notice to Arvind Kejriwal. What are the details?
Yes, Study Pratibha, we have the exclusive copy of the notice which has been served by the Anti-Corruption Bureau to Aam Aadmi's national convener Arvind Kejriwal, where on the fifth line it has been written, explain as to why an appropriate legal action should be taken against the person who is spreading such an information on social media platform, which is also creating a huge amount of panic and this like situation. On the first line, you can see that he has been served notice to provide the information of the list of 5 questions which have been given by the ACB by today itself. So 7 February 2025 is the time, and by today evening, Arvind Kejriwal is expected to, has been told and instructed by the Anti-Corruption Bureau to give a written reply. So the point is being raised that if you are raising some alarm, if you are portraying yourself as a whistleblower who is highlighting the alleged corruption which is happening on several other platforms, if you are coming out on social media platform and raising these pertinent questions, and when the competent authorities, competent investigating agency are trying to dig out the truth behind this particular allegation and get hold of all those individuals who are behind sending these bribe and poaching messages to the Aam Aadmi Party's candidate, then why isn't so that you are yourself cooperating? Arvind Kejriwal, who is right behind this this particular 5 Firoz Shah Road, was expected to provide the information, but it is very, I would say, shameful also that his office staff did not allow the ACB team officers to come out from this hut-like structure which has been made for the security guard to have some kind of rest, because the fact of the matter is that an ACB rank officer who is a gazetted officer was forced to sit outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal. He was not allowed, but the ACB, since they are legal, they have to be there in the legal ambit. They have provided the summons to Arvind Kejriwal. Notice has been served. By today itself, he has to give a reply. But looking at the tone and tenor, I don't feel that the Aam Aadmi Party will be giving its reply.
All right, so the ACB has come knocking on the doors of Arvind Kejriwal quite literally. They are there waiting for him to respond. Stay on with us, Priyank. Let's put things in perspective for our viewers. Hina is also joining us on the broadcast with the details. So Priyank has accessed the notice that has been served to Arvind Kejriwal. Hina, what are the details?
Well, this is the copy of the notice exclusively accessed by Priyank Tripathi 4 times now. The notice that has been served by the Anti-Corruption Branch Government of Entity of Delhi to Arvind Kejriwal, the chief of the Aam Aadmi Party. And this is what Priyank Tripathi was showing to our viewers. It says it is an inquiry into allegations of offer of bribe to MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party, a claim that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party against the BJP. Now it says that the Anti-Corruption Branch is conducting an inquiry into the allegations of of bribe to MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party. You are therefore requested to make yourself available at any convenient time today, that is 7th of February, to supply the following information. And these are the 5 things that they have mentioned, which Priyank Tripathi was referring to, Pratibha. First one, it says whether the tweet that was posted at the following URL on X has been posted by you or otherwise. So remember, yesterday Arvind Kejriwal had put out a post on social media platform X, and a clarification on that particular post has been sought by the ACB. Apart from that, details of the 16 candidates for MLA of AAP who received the phone calls regarding the offer of bribe. Now, if a claim has been made, then ACB is asking for details from the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal as to who are these MLAs who have been allegedly approached by the BJP as being claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party. Point number 3, details of the phone numbers and persons who approached the MLAs regarding the offer of the bribe. I mean, if you're claiming that somebody called you, that call must have come from a number, right?
Yes.
So now ACB is asking for that number also. Apart from that, provide the evidence and proof to support your allegations. Lastly, explain as to why appropriate legal action should not be taken against the persons who are spreading such information on social media platforms. So clearly, we can say that ahead of the results tomorrow, some interesting action likely in the national capital, especially with the Aam Aadmi Party.
And clearly it's not going to stay in just war of words. It has escalated much beyond that, with the ACB now saying that Arvind Kejriwal must prove the bribe charges. A lot of interesting developments expected. Hina and Priyank, thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break. We'll be right back.